kimwe ubwo naje gukunda umukobwa, uwo mukobwa ariko yari uw'igiciro cyinshi, naje kumwandikira musaba urukundo. Agiye kunsubiza yansubije ambwira ati usibye no kugukunda no kukubona simbishaka.
This umugote is a plant which was very important for our ancestors. People could take the bark of it and they process it, then make have something soft to make some cloth. Yeah, umugote can be also used like a medicine for cough. Take the bark of it and the leaves, then boil it in water and have something a drink which looks it tastes like tea. Yeah, tea. Yeah, then take it for cough.
This is getting the juice.
Yeah, it's just getting juice and they drop down this rubbish.
This is the chimpanzees that chew the fruit and then they drop it, right?
Yes, yes. Those fruits, those are the fruits of Syzygium.
Of Syzygium. Oh. That's the trail we just came over there. Wow, fallen tree. Again, look at this view. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Here we are with lots of fern. Lots of fern up into the canopy up there. And there's Christophe. Look at all the fern.
Umugote tree trying to pick the fruit because umugote fruits are sweet, so chimpanzees like them.
And do they always, you were saying that when they're in a big group they make that sound?
Chimpanzees make many different calls, yeah, and each call expresses a different thing, yeah. So that call they like to make it when they are informing each other that they have to start to eat. When they are ending the break, they often do that sound, and each has to reply by the same sound. Then they start to eat. Yeah, they can even do the same sound when one or two of them have found the food and they trying to inform others to call and they share.
How far do the chimpanzees roam in one day?
So chimpanzees in one day they can do 2 to 4 square kilometers as they range. As home range, they use 4 to it varies between 7 to 8 square kilometers as a home range. As a home range. So chimpanzees move according to how they find food.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Of Wenzori turaco, the bird which is endemic in the Albertine Rift. Yeah, when you open the wings, you see this beautiful red color. But when it's patched, the outside color on the back, it looks a little bit blue. Because watching chimpanzees while doing nature walk in this way.
Really?
In this way, by bedtime.
We brought you much luck.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I have I have I have come for chimpanzee tracking,
Yeah.
and I saw them there. So, but this is the first time
And a nature
finding
track.
them when I'm doing nature walk.
We didn't expect it all, but we have experience.
Yes, yes.
So they eat all day long.
No, early in the morning they eat until like 10 to 11, then look for a better place and have a break until like 2:30, like 2:30, yeah, until the dark, yeah, until the dark. So you remember I told you that is a sound for starting to eat.
Yes.
Yeah, that sound is made by one of the adult male, or is often made by the alpha male, but also one of the alpha male can give that sound. Then everyone start to eat.
Look at these animals. They're so big. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa.
That is like a plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then by- When there are many males in the family, they sometimes play like that. When, it's like teasing, yeah, even showing the females that they are strong.
Sure.
Yeah.
So they're not fighting.
Uh,
They're not fighting, or they
just teasing, showing how they are strength. So when you are visiting them, you know that they can break dead trees and fall.
Yes.
Yeah. All guides know that. They're always checking if they cannot throw the sticks or the dead branches.
Yes.
Yeah. I was just watching that
Tree.
yeah, from where you break it. These flowers, impatiens grow the edible fruits like these ones. Yeah, but these are still young, they are not ripe. They grow bigger, and when the people are going to pick them, they don't resist on touch. Before you hold it properly, they open and you see everything flying, so they are not patient.
She'll say hello.
hello.
Oh,